Namaste. Welcome to Shivalayaa Yoga Shala YouTube channel once again. Today we are doing very simple exercise for the lower back pain. So the first asana is Bhujang Asana, Cobra. Get your forehead on the mat, palms under your shoulders, feet together, stretch your legs back. Try not to point the elbows out. Keep the elbows close to the body, next to the rib cage. Try to use the back muscles when you lift the head of chest up. So with the inhalation, raise the chin up, chest up, and arch your back from the lower back. Try not to tense your shoulders. Try to stretch the shoulders down, away from the ears. Open the chest, open your sternum. You can even try to raise the hands off the floor. Breathe into the lower back. Arch your back as much as possible. Keep pushing the shoulders back, expanding your chest with every inhalation more and more. And exhale. Forehead down, make the pillow and breathe. Savasana, stretch your chin forward in front of you. Hands position like you play the volleyball, make the fist with the hands. Front part of the elbows flat on the floor or palms facing down. So get the hands completely under your thighs, chin forward. Inhale, stretch your right leg up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, stretch the left leg up. Exhale, down once more. Inhale, right up using the back muscles. Exhale, down. Inhale, left up. Exhale, down. Stretch your chin a little more forward, hands a little more down. This time we'll try to lift both the legs off the floor wherever is comfortable for you. So as you inhale, bring the legs up. Keep using the back muscles. Breathe. You can keep the legs wherever is comfortable, halfway or a little more than the halfway. With the exhalation, get the legs down. Remove the hands, make the pillow with your hands on the other side. And breathe deeply into the lower back muscles. So from pillow pose, get the forehead on the mat. Stretch your legs back, stretch your hands forward. Try to stretch the whole back of the body. As you inhale, lift the hands off the floor, head up, chest up. Same time, lift the legs off the floor. Arch the whole back of the body, strengthening the lower back muscle. Breathe into the lower back. Try to get the hands next to your hips, side of your body, and breathe. Now try to bend the elbows, and you can even try to get the palms under the shoulders or interlock the hands behind your back in order to feel the deeper stretch into your chest, into the shoulders. So wherever is comfortable. Exhale, drop the whole body down. Make the pillow on the other side, big toes touching, and breathe. So from pillow pose, get the forehead on the mat, palms under your shoulders. Press the palms and knees on the floor. Inhale. Get the upper body parallel to the floor. Open your knees hip width apart or a little more than hip width. With the inhalation, as inhale, stretch your chin up towards the sky. Arch your back. Exhale. Chin to the chest. Round your back as much as possible. Good. Inhale. Once again, stretch your chin up to the sky. Arch your back. Elbows remaining straight. Exhale, tuck your chin to the chest, round your back. Inhale, chin up. And with the exhalation, stretch your hips back like a cat into child pose, bringing the hips on your heels, abdomen on your thighs, chest on your knees, forehead on the mat, hands next to your feet. Drop your elbows down on the floor and breathe into your whole spinal column. From Balasana, from child pose, inhale, sit up, and from here come into kneeling position. Open your knees and feet hip width apart or a little more than the hip width. From here, try to push your hips forward and bring the hands, palms on your lower back, pushing the lower back forward with the palms and same time arching your back, dropping your head back. If possible, you can also try to reach to your heels with the hands, but if you think it's too much for you, then you don't need to reach to the heels. You can simply keep supporting the lower back with the palms and breathe. Inhale up and exhale. Bring the hips on your heels. Inhale, stretch your spine and exhale into Balasana, into child pose. Forehead on the mat, hands next to your feet and breathe. From here, inhale, sit up into Vajrasana, diamond pose, and then lie down on your back into Savasana. Stretch your hands out at 180 degrees on the floor. Bend your knees. Bring the heels 6 inches away from the hips. Feet around 2 feet apart. With the exhalation, bring the both knees to the right side. Look over the left shoulder. Both shoulders remaining flat on the floor. And if possible, try to touch both the knees on the ground. And breathe into the lower back muscles once again. Inhale, knees up and exhale. Other side to the left side, looking over the right shoulder this time. Twisting the spinal column, breathing into the spine, into the back muscles. Inhale up, exhale, right side. Inhale to the left, looking always opposite side. Inhale up, once again right, exhale. Inhale, knees up and left, exhale. Inhale. And then bend the knees, hugging your knees tightly to the chest. You can use the palms, interlock your hands around your knees and hug your knees tightly to the chest. The whole spinal column remaining straight and flat on the floor. Deep breathing, massaging same time all the internal organs. And bring your legs straight into Savasana. Legs apart, hands apart, palms facing ceiling, toes falling sideways, and you can remain here for a few breaths. If you like the video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do share with friends and relatives. We will come soon with our next video. Until then, keep shining. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching us.